Welcome back to another video, guys. I don't know how long or short this is gonna be. That was short. Damn. So I'm real short on time. Very extremely short. I need to get this done in the next 25 minutes. But here's what we're dealing with. Here we go. Got a deal. It's a steal. Just got to get tires, basically. Now to load everything back up in the truck. Put some new tires on these wheels. And, man, we got to worry about wiring. Because I don't think the lights actually work. I'm going to back the truck up to it and see. Just like I thought, none of the lights actually come on. I don't even know if this plug is any good at all. So, I have to make sure I take it home during daylight. Figure out a way to get it wired up. But, yep, that light doesn't even work. But it's alright. For the price, I'm not gonna complain. I'm not, especially for what they go for these days. So, got me a trailer. What you saw before, that trailer thing, that was just a little side, show you guys what's coming up in the future. Alright, but really, today's video is about, that right there. Actually getting that done. Got a new machine here. I'm welling up the pieces. I gotta clean them up. I'm gonna take them to work tomorrow, and it's gonna be a rush trying to edit this and get it done. But done up and down pipe with the pie cuts. Yeah, that's the actually top we do. Exhaust. I gotta cut that end. That end that's gonna go in between here somewhere, so I can disconnect down pipe from the rest of it. But that's where we're at. Get to work tomorrow. I'm gonna try and edit as much as I can tonight. When I get to work tomorrow, clean them up, show you guys what they look like cleaned up, and we should be gooch. All right, the down pipe is in. You can see it's clearing AC line. It's not touching the frame. It's about a ½ inch off from it. So let me go ahead and put it in the down pipe and we can get down to the car. So I'm running into a little trouble. This pipe from the muffler has an angle on the tip of it. I need to cut from 1/8 all the way to ½ inch seams to get this straight. And then the down pipe also has an angle on it. As you can see, I have the two 3-inch flanges on it already. Problem is, putting this on it's gonna butt up. So what I'm gonna do is tack weld the flange on here on the downpipe so it stays in place where I need it to, and then run the flex pipe onto this one, and wherever it meets up, tack weld that also. There's some welds right here I need to knock off real quick. I'm going to do that. All right, so flanges, gasket, 2 bolts, everything's in. It's sitting steady right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and tack this here, put 2 tacks on here, and then I'm gonna try and get in front of the jack stand and get a tack on the other side, and that should be good. I can take them back over there and let him finish everything else, and that'll be the whole exhaust. It's done. So hopefully sometime next 2-3 videos we'll be starting this thing up. All right, so from what I'm seeing here, it is holding. If you guys can see, everything seems to be holding. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this piece back out, pull the downpipe out, so finish the whole weld, and exhaust be done. So, oh, what was happening? Appreciate you guys watching as always. Like, comment. If you haven't already, subscribe, because I'm about to hear this beautiful thing running sometime next week. All right. Appreciate y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed the video, and thank you. Catch you in the next one.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah.